First thing you have to do is unscrew these 4 bolts and the same 4 bolts from another side of the screen and dismount the screen. Second thing, what you have to do is take out the original headlights. It is holding on these 2 screws. Now you must unplug this headlight connector and the second connector is this one. Just unplug it. It's leading to the tablet. Now it's time to install your new headlight. First, you must connect all the connectors. First one is here. Second one is inside here. And the third one is here. And now mount the headlight to its position. You can use the included stainless steel screws instead of the zinc plated ones, original ones, and don't forget to use washers on the screws. Yeah. So one screw here. And the second screw with, don't forget, on this part. Through the second hole. Use the washers also on the second side. And secure it with included stainless steel nuts. As you can see, you can move the headlight up and down and with many positions. Good starting point is to put the screws on the center of the holes. Yeah. So move the screws on the centers of the holes and secure them. So the headlight is installed. Let these screws not too much tighten. You must have it a bit moving, because when you install the screen back on, the headlights assembly must match with the screen. So it is good to first secure the kit, secure the windshield, move the headlights to match perfectly with the windshield. Now the windscreen is installed. The headlights is perfectly matching with the hole in the screen. And now it's time for tightening these 2 bolts which holding the headlights. Now just check if the headlights is working properly, and if you ever need to adjust the height of the light, you must to lose 4 screws on the sides of the headlight module, adjust the height of the module, and tie the screws back. Yeah. You will probably need to do it before first ride, but it's very simple.